Hello everyone and welcome back to Vlada's Place. In this video, I'm going to show you a typical and traditional Serbian snack. Fresh home-baked bread topped with the homegrown and homemade lard, a touch of salt and some paprika. Our childhood foods stay with us. So many of our memories are connected to particular taste and flavors. And this is one of those that brings me home. I haven't had this for decades, so I wanted to make sure it's done right. I recently partnered up with a local farmer and butchered a very healthy homegrown pig, out of which I made lard. This is a Hungarian type of pig called Mongolica, which is extremely healthy. I made my own lard and home-baked sourdough, and now I'm going to show you how to make this treat. One of the key ingredients is this homegrown sun-dried paprika. And this particular paprika came all the way from Macedonia, from my friend's mom called Vlada. Thank you, Vlada! Lard from a healthy homegrown pig is very important because the taste is not the same eating this lard and the lard you buy in the store. Bread was done by 7:30 this morning, and if you guys like to learn how to make a sourdough, we have that video available for you on this YouTube channel. You can put anything on a bread like this and it would be good. Baking bread is so simple and so satisfying. So if you haven't done it before, I suggest you start baking your own. And I'm here to help. Now that we have our bread, I'm going to put the first layer of lard, and then I'm going to do a little salt and some paprika, and then I'm going to come back and do a second layer. And now I'm going to blend in all the pepper and salt together, and then I'm going to go ahead and add a little more. Here goes a little more salt, and then we're going to add a little bit more of this paprika, which again is by far the best paprika I ever had in my kitchen. This is the savory version, but if you like sweets, the other way to do it would be just to put a little bit of lard and add honey, which is what I'm going to do next. By the way, if you're thinking about becoming a beekeeper, I would be glad to help with that too. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Vlada Vladic, and I am a founder of a charitable organization called Vlada Seeds of Life, whose mission is reconnecting families and communities in America while promoting healthier and more natural lifestyle. If you like this video, please give us thumbs up and consider subscribing. By doing so, you will help us promote this kind of content to other families out there.